This goes out to all the underwater cameramen, ocean enthusiasts, and social misfits who have nothing else on their mind but to share their passion for nature with the rest of the world. Meet Florian Fischer, founder and filmmaker at Behind the Mask. When he was 16 years old, his father pinned a quote by Herman Hesse over his bed saying, "To achieve the possible, the impossible must always be attempted." Ever since, Florian is driven by these words. And here are some memorable moments of his career.
Have fun.
If you want to become an underwater filmmaker like Florian, or you simply want to improve your skills, get in touch with the Behind the Mask Academy now to join Florian on a real project. This is your chance to not only witness the magic of underwater filmmaking, but to immerse yourself in the process. Depending on your goals, you will learn the essential skills needed to capture stunning underwater footage, while understanding the intricate behavior of marine life. Together with Florian, you will conceptualize ideas, organize equipment, and go out to shoot. But that's not all. You will delve into the art of editing as well, from color correction techniques that elevate your visuals to the storytelling elements that will bring your footage to life. You'll walk away not just with knowledge, but with the confidence to create captivating content that resonates with viewers around the world. So, if you're ready to take a chance, apply now, and if you are lucky, Florian will transform your passion for the ocean into a skill set that can inspire others. To achieve the possible, the impossible must always be attempted. Now it's your turn.